Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable 18 plus content on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you need to log in Telegram on your web browser. So access the web browser of your liking. For me, I've gone to Safari and have logged in with my account. Then what you need to do is you need to simply log in. Once you have logged in, then you're gonna go to this three dot on top left corner, go to the settings, and then you're gonna go to privacy and security. Then you're gonna go to this option of disable filtering in the sensitive content, and what you need to do is simply check on it. Once you have checked on it, all the filtering will be disabled. And then once you have done that, you're simply going to go ahead and close this particular tab and restart your app. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and reinstall your particular Telegram app, and then once you log in, you have simply enabled the sensitive content, the 18 plus content on Telegram, and that's how it works. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.